Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great day today. We're going to continue our conversation about angles of triangles, and today we're going to talk about exterior angles of triangles. So this key idea here says that for an exterior angle measures of a triangle, exterior angle, exterior means outside, like the exterior of your house is the outside of your house, and the interior of your house is the inside. So in a triangle, you have interior angles, which are these three, and then if you draw a line that extends past the edge of the triangle, the angle that's formed here above is called the exterior angle. So the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles is equal to the exterior angle. And the reason that is because if you think about it here, let's say that we called this angle R. So if I said that x plus y plus r, well, what are all three interior angles of a triangle equal? We talked about that yesterday. They all equal 180 degrees. So that's equal to 180. And then if we think about the sum of r and z, look, r and z here are called supplementary angles. Remember we talked about that? Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So r and z are supplementary, which means that if I add z plus r, I would get 180. So if we look at these two equations here, well, if x plus y plus r equals 180, and then z plus r equals 180, that must mean that x plus y is the same value as z, because if we substitute this for this, then they would be the same thing. So that's why x plus y has to equal z, or in the terms that they use here, the two non-adjacent interior angles, the sum of the non-adjacent interior angles, add to the exterior angle. Adjacent means right next to it. So like r and z are supplementary, they're also adjacent angles because they share a side. So z and r right here are adjacent angles. So the non-adjacent interior angles would be x and y. So just try an example with this. So if we're looking for the value of x, to find the value of x, all we would need to do is add the two non-adjacent interior angles. So that would be 36 and 72. So if you do 36 plus 72, that's going to equal x. Well, 36 plus 72 is 108. So that's the value of x. For here, we're just going to set up the same thing. The sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles equals the exterior angle. So I'll combine my like terms. This becomes 75. I'll subtract a from both sides. And a equals 75. Now I want to a equals 75. I want to watch out here because it says find the measure of the exterior angle. It doesn't say find the measure of the variable or find the value of the variable. It says find the measure of the exterior angle. So here the exterior angle was just x. So that's why I said x equals 180 degrees. Here the exterior angle is 2a. So since a is 75, I have to do 2 times 75, which gives me 150. So 150 is actually my answer here. Okay, so why don't you go ahead and try these two out, pause the screen, and when you are ready, press play and you'll see the answers. Okay, so if we add the two non-adjacent interior angles, 30 plus 40 would give you 70. So 70 would equal y. Since y is the exterior angle is 70 degrees. For this one, there's a little more work to it. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of two non-adjacent. So this angle and this angle are adjacent. So that's why it's the two non-adjacent interior angles, which is this angle and this angle. So the sum of those, which means we're going to add them. So 2n plus 20 plus n. And then I'd get 4n minus 20 equals 3n plus 20. So I will subtract 3n from both sides. And I'll add 20 to both sides. And I get n equals 40. So we want to be careful because n equals 40, but that is not the exterior angle. The exterior angle is 4n minus 20. So 4 times 40 minus 20. So 4 times 40 is 160 minus 20 would be 140. So the measure of the exterior angle is 140 degrees. Alright, so we're just going to do one more problem. We're going to do a little word problem here. It says an airplane leaves from Miami and travels around the Bermuda Triangle. What is the value of x? So basically just a word problem where they're asking us to find an well, in this case, it looks like it's an interior angle. So this is from yesterday. So we just need to find this angle here, which is the interior angle. So we would just add up all three, and they add up to 180. So that will give us the value of x. Alright, so we got 3x. And this would be plus 18 equals 180. So 3x would equal 162. And x would equal 54. So your answer for this would be C. Alright guys, well that's it. So please go ahead and do the Big Ideas assignment for today, and if you have any questions, either attend one of the open meets or write your question on the Google Doc. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day.